Welcome back to another look using the JeffreeStar Jawbreaker palette. This is look number 5. Can you believe it? And there are so many more looks coming, you guys. The looks are endless with this palette, and it doesn't just end with summer. I'm gonna do fall looks with it as well. Fun, colorful ones. And I'm still really digging this palette. And yes, let's get started. So I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Milani eyeshadow primer. And I have some powder to catch fallout. The first eyeshadow we're going to be taking is called Bite Me. All this information will be in the description box as well. Now this is on a fluffy crease brush, and I am just going to pat that in the inner corner, and then I'm going to pull it, sweep it, drag it, blend it into the crease, whatever word you want to use for it, but pat it in the outer corner and then just slowly bring it into your crease with your sweeping motions. And you will see me patting at it as well, just to intensify the shade. And once again, I'm building this up little by little, not to get too much of a concentrated color right away. And I'm taking a clean blending brush and I'm going over the edges, and I'm blending that edge down in the crease and blending it towards the brow bone. Next up, I'm taking this diamond pencil, and it's an eyeshadow eyeliner kind of pencil, and the name on that is Lavender, and I'm applying that to the lid. This is the first time I've used a secondary base with this palette, but I just wanted the lid color to be more intense, and you will see that it totally is. I'm using Gumdrop. It looks like a totally different shade with a secondary base. It's so crazy. But I'm just going to pat that on to the secondary base. Really work that on to the secondary base. And also you want to apply a thin layer of that because it can crease, and I just done a very thin layer, and I applied that all to the lid. And now we're going to blend that in with Bite Me. And next up, we're taking Virgin, best white ever in my opinion, and applying that to the brow bone, and we're going to use that to blend down our edges and highlight our brow bone. We're going to buff the Bite Me shade into the Virgin brow bone highlight with whatever is left on that brush. Now we're going to go in and intensify Bite Me a little bit and do our clean blending brush. Just go between the brushes, and I'm reapplying color that might have been lost in the blending process, and literally that look is done. We're wiping away our fallout, and on the lower lash line we're actually going to be picking up, I believe that shade is Delicious. If I'm wrong about the name, it will be in the description box. And see what I'm doing here? I'm taking it a little against the outer corner edge of Bite Me. I like to do that in looks sometimes, and I just kind of blend it in with that outer corner and extend the lower lash line shade is all I'm doing. I'm taking the Delicious and Gumdrop on the lower lash line together, and of course I'm taking Jawbreaker in the inner corner because this is my favorite inner corner highlight right now. At the moment, I use this in all my looks now. It's so beautiful. This is Jordana's Black Point 12-hour pencil, and I'm using that for the lower and upper water lines. And I'm using this LaColors liquid eyeliner. If you guys have not tried this eyeliner, it's $1.50 at Dollar General. Where have you been? It's super black, it dries quickly, it lasts all day without flaking. It is super black. Definitely need to check it out. I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. For lips, I'm using a Kate Rimmel lipstick in number 14. And I love this lipstick by itself, but then I topped it with the LaColors Iridescent Holographic Lip Gloss. And in my opinion, this is just a nice, very nice lip combo. Very glossy and nude, and I'm loving it. And that is the finished look, you guys. And of course, we're using a setting spray, and we're using Hard Candy Glow setting spray. I wanted to really shimmer today. The out there glowy goddess. So yes, that's the finished look, and look at those green eyes pop. I always mention this, but if you have green eyes and you're going to wear purple, reds, oranges, yellows, all that, your eyes are going to pop. Love this look. I love how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Also, thank you for requesting it, Jennifer, and stay tuned for more. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as the product list, and thank you guys always for watching.